Very warm good morning to all of you. This is Garima, English teacher, who is going to celebrate World Braille Day. I'm sure you can guess that it's a day to celebrate Braille. But you may wonder what it's all about and why it's worth celebrating. Well, let's talk about that so that we can spread more awareness about it. We celebrate World Braille Day every year on January 4th because it's Louis Braille's birthday. He is an inventor of Braille. Louis was born in 1809 in France and became blind after a childhood accident. But he quickly mastered his new way of living. When Louis was only 15 years old, he created a reading and writing system based on Charles Barberier's night writing system. World Braille Day is a reminder of the importance of accessibility and independence for people who are blind or visually impaired. Everyone deserves the same accommodations and service regardless of ability. Braille literacy is also an important factor in equal opportunities for people with blindness. Unfortunately, Louis Braille didn't get to see just how helpful his invention became. He died in 1852, 2 years before his alma mater. France's Royal Institute for Blind Youth adopted a Braille curriculum. Today, you will find Braille on objects you will use every day, like signs, ATMs, elevators, calculators, and much more. It's all thanks to Louis Braille and the school that adopted and taught his reading and writing system. So, we need to create awareness about Braille system more. Thank you for listening with patience. Thanks.
Good morning everyone, I am Jiten Kaushik of class 6th A. Today I am going to tell you about World Braille Day. Braille is a system of writing specially for the blind. This system of writing was perfected by Frenchman Louis Braille. Louis Braille himself was blind. He went Braille following a childhood accident in his early age. Braille is named after its creator, Louis Braille. Braille is a special alphabet used by the blind. The alphabet is marked by the raised dots on stiff paper which blind persons can understand by the touch on their fingers. Each letter in the Braille alphabet consists of one or more raised dots. The number and arrangements of these dots distinguish one character from another. Books in Braille have to be quite thick. This is because raised marks are punched out in Braille. Blind people can be taught how to read and write Braille. There are also machines that help blind people to write in Braille. We honor Louis Braille's contribution towards helping the blind read and write. Congratulations on World Braille.
My name is Divya from class 6C. Today I am recite a speech on World Braille Day. Every year World Braille Day is celebrated on January 4. It is celebrated on the occasion of Louis Braille's birthday. He is known to have invented the Braille script for the visually impaired. Braille is a writing method. It was made for blind people. Braille is streamlined writing system. It is written on a special type embossed paper because it was designed by the Louis Braille. This method is named after the Braille script. This day celebrates to create awareness about the disabilities, rights and identification, prevention and rehabilitation of eye diseases. The main objective of World Braille Day is to provide the rights of visually challenged people and promote Braille script. World Braille Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of Braille as a means of communication. The United Nations General Assembly passed a resolution for World Braille Day on 6 November 2018. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Angel from class 6C. Today I recite a speech on World Braille Day. World Braille Day is celebrated every year on January 4. It is celebrated on the occasion of Louis Braille's birthday. Louis Braille was the inventor of Braille. Louis Braille was born on January 4, 1809 in the village of France. He developed a system of writing and reading for blind people. This is method known as Braille. Braille is writing method. Braille is created for blind people. This day spread awareness about the Braille and other assemble from the communication is the full attainment of human rights for the blind and visually impaired people. Thank you.
Teachers and children, my name is Himani from class 7th. Our topic is Happy Braille Day. Education is important for us. Braille has millions blind and partially sighted peoples around the world. Happy Braille Day.